Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having
Merry Christmas from Amed.
Merry Christmas.
It's actually not the country which is celebrating Christmas. It's actually pretty strange celebration for Balinese people because they are Hindu and they're celebrating different things. But anyway, so I'm Catholic, Laura is Orthodox, and in our family we have two Christmas. The one Christmas for me as a Catholic, another Christmas will be there in January, right?
January 7th.
I wish there is no this fight between the religions, because it's pointless actually, people, right? So it's okay to believe in different things. It's okay to be in a different confessions of religions. We still can live friendly. Like for example, me and Laura, we are married. So I'm Catholic, Laura is Orthodox, but we married in Lutheran church. That's our position. That's our position to religion. It doesn't mean we don't believe in God. We believe, but it's just pointless to prove that you are better than others. We know that many of families are at the moment separated just because of all these quarantine times. So we wish you to stay strong. Not always we have to be together to be together. It doesn't matter where we are, at least we know that someone cares about us. Sometimes we have families without having families. I mean, we have a lot of friends, we have people who care about us, and it's sometimes this relationship is stronger to be like a family members, right? When sometimes brothers and sisters are not that close as friends. After the darkest night there is a sunrise coming. So that's why even this being a really tough and maybe really challenging year for many of you, try to find something positive what happened during this year and just focus on this thing. Anything you would like to add?
And stay healthy. We love you. So
together we are stronger than everyone else, and just because we are far away from you, it doesn't mean we are not close enough. So that's why we started this vlog, and to be closer to you, to give you this feeling to being together. And so yeah, what else to say? Merry Christmas. We don't have a snow here, we have a little bit of rain, right? So if you imagine this is a snow, then it's a snow. We really hope that this one will end soon, so we will be able to meet together again. And so let's live with this hope, and let's believe in good things, and see you tomorrow again. Bye. Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas.
I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing?